So given this problem statement, let a1, a2 and all the way up to a30, a subscript 30 be an arithmetic progression, and here sum that is represented as summation I starting from 1 all the way up to 30, and this is a subscript I, and t is given as summation I starting from 1 and it goes till 15, and this is represented as a subscript of 2 times I minus 1. So if a subscript of 5 is 27 and s minus 2 times t is equal to 75, so in that case we need to compute the value of a subscript of 10. Now, so let's proceed towards the solution part. So we are having here s, and this s if I expand, so this one can be written as a subscript of 1 plus a subscript 2, and this goes all the way up to a subscript of 30, right? And for this one here we can just simplify this term, and this one can be written as 15 times 2 times a1, a subscript 1, plus there are 30 terms are there, so this will be 30 minus 1, 29 times d, and this 15 is essentially 30 over 2, right? So for clarity I would be writing 30 over 2, right? Now this one I'll mark this one as equation 1, right? Now here d is the common difference, this is the common difference. Now we are using the formula here, that is sum up to n terms that is equals to n over 2 times a plus n minus 1 times d. So this is the formula that has been used over here, and we are aware of this, that t, this t for this t the summation is given over here. So for t we can write here as a subscript 1, then the next term would be a subscript of 3, and this goes all the way up to a subscript of 29. If I just follow the format, that is 2i minus 1, right? Now this one can be written as, so here 1, 3 and 29, so total number of terms if you observe here, this is 15 here, right? So 15 over 2, and here this will be 2 times the first term is a subscript of 1 plus 14 times the difference is of 2, right? So 2 times the common difference, that is 2d, and here we can just mention the reason, that since the common difference is 2 times of d. Now this further implies that 2 times t, so this 2 I am multiplying on the both the sides for this given equation, so this 15 over 2, so this 2 is multiplied with t over here, so this becomes 2 times t, that is equal to 15 times this particular quantity, that is 2 times subscript of a1, and then 14 times 2, that is 28 d. Now this one I can mark this one as equation 2, right? Now from equation 1 and 2 we get, so what we can do here, if you can observe, this is a given relationship within this s and t, right? Now it is given in the problem statement itself. So instead of s I'll be using this 1 and 2, so instead of s I'll substitute this part, right? That is 30 over 2, that is nothing but 15 times 2 times a subscript 1 plus 29 times d, and here minus the value of 2 times t that is given here, I'll just replicate this here and substitute here, and this is equal to 75. So now if you observe this, on resolving this part I'll be getting the common difference as 5, and you can clearly observe this is 30 times a1 a subscript 1, and this is negative of 30 times a1, so this effectively gets cancelled out. When you solve this, you're getting the value of d as 5. So now finally I need a subscript of 10, right? So the problem is demanding a subscript of 10, so this can be written as a subscript of 5, right, plus 5 times d. So a subscript of 5 will be 27 here, right? So just think about it, it is given in the problem statement that a subscript of 5 is given, 27. So it is already given, so I'll just write it here, that is given a subscript of 5 as 27, so I'm just using it here, and then 5 times the d, that is 25. So 27 plus 25, that is effectively 52, and hence this is the answer. So the answer to this problem statement is 52, and hence it is solved.